Man can change his life simply by changing his attitude. The deepest longing in the human breast is the desire for appreciation. The greatest discovery of the 20th century is that our attitude of mind determines our quality of life, not circumstances. Success or failure depends more upon attitude than upon capacity. Successful men act as though they have accomplished or are enjoying something. Soon it becomes a reality. Act, look, feel successful, conduct yourself accordingly, and you will be amazed at the positive results. To change one's life: A. Start immediately. B. Do it flamboyantly. C. No exceptions. Never suffer an exception to occur till the new habit is securely rooted. The good we do today becomes the happiness of tomorrow. The minute a man ceases to grow, no matter what his years, that minute he begins to be old. Everybody should do at least 2 things each day that he hates to do, just for practice. Give up the feeling of responsibility, let go your hold, resign the care of your destiny to higher powers, be genuinely indifferent as to what becomes of it all, and you will find not only that you gain a perfect inward relief, but often also, in addition, the particular goods you sincerely thought you were renouncing. You can be an artist without visual images, a reader without eyes, a massive erudition with a bad elementary memory. In almost any subject, your passion for the subject will save you. If you only care enough for a result, you will almost certainly attain it. If you wish to be rich, you will be rich. If you wish to be learned, you will be learned. If you wish to be good, you will be good. Only you must, then, really wish these things, and wish them with exclusiveness, and not wish at the same time 100 other incompatible things just as strongly. Most people live, whether physically, intellectually or morally, in a very restricted circle of their potential being. Let everything you do be done as if it makes a difference. Give your dreams all you've got, and you'll be amazed at the energy that comes out of you. If any organism fails to fulfill its potentialities, it becomes sick. If you want a confidence, act as if you already have it. Try the as-if technique. Most people never run far enough on their first wind to find out they've got a second. Action seems to follow feeling, but really actions and feeling go together. And by regulating the action, which is under the more direct control of the will, we can indirectly regulate the feeling, which is not. Thus the sovereign voluntary path to cheerfulness, if our cheerfulness be lost, is to sit up cheerfully and to act and speak as if cheerfulness were already there. Beyond the very extreme of fatigue and distress, we may find amounts of ease and power we never dreamed ourselves to own. Sources of strength never taxed at all because we never push through the obstruction. Of all the beautiful truths pertaining to the soul, none is more gladdening or fruitful than to know you can regenerate and make yourself what you will. Strength is a facade for the proud, weakness is a mask for the lazy. When thoughts do not neutralize an undesirable emotion, action will. We don't laugh because we're happy because we laugh. Tension is a habit. Relaxing is a habit. Bad habits can be broken, good habits formed.